Thank you for considering ReComply for your regulatory compliance. There are so many regulatory agencies and inspectors that may show up to your business, each of them wanting to see permits, licenses, proof of training your employees, and many other documents. We're going to show you how ReComply can put your mind at ease, and you will have all of the documents available and easy to produce. First, you will log in with your secure username and password to open the record book. You will see all the folders on the left-hand side that are applicable to your business, storing anything that has been created or uploaded. First, we'll look at the plans. When an inspector comes in looking at your written plans is one of the first things they may want to do. The fire department will want to see your hazardous material business plan or a stormwater plan. You can easily download the document or open it in a PDF viewer. There's a folder to store your manifest copies after a hazardous waste shipment. They may even ask for previous years of manifests, which you can easily go back in time, select the year, the folder, and you can show them the document. Employee training certificates can be stored online. We also have safety topics that you can use to train your employees on a monthly basis with a different topic each month. We have a folder that you can easily and safely store your safety data sheets. No more hunting around in a file cabinet, hoping that you have what you're looking for. Starting with the advanced subscription, you can perform required inspections online using a tablet or a phone. The inspections are published monthly into the inspections folder, so you can easily find them. Email alerts will be sent notifying you of a permit or a license that needs to be renewed, a report that needs to be filed, or training that needs to be performed. With the ReComply Premium subscription, our staff will work monthly to keep the files in your folders up to date. We will actively renew your permits and licenses and file the quarterly or annual reports on your behalf. Once you begin your subscription, you will receive regular video training so that you can learn all the different ways ReComply can make your regulatory compliance a breeze. I appreciate you very much, and click the link to get started.